Ever pondered on how to transform your financial world with Fundrise.com? Well, allow us to introduce you to this game-changing platform. Fundrise.com is an innovative online real estate investment platform that's revolutionizing the way people invest in real estate. Imagine being able to invest in high-quality real estate without the need to buy or manage properties directly. Imagine having the ability to diversify your portfolio with real estate investments, irrespective of your net worth. That's exactly what Fundrise.com brings to the table. Fundrise.com has opened the doors to real estate investing for all, making it accessible and straightforward. No longer is this investment avenue reserved for the ultra-wealthy or those with insider knowledge. With Fundrise.com, anyone can become a real estate investor, harnessing the power of this traditionally lucrative market. So are you ready to delve deeper? It's time to unravel the process of making money on Fundrise.com. The first step towards making money on Fundrise.com is setting up your account. This process is straightforward and user-friendly, designed to guide you through the journey of becoming a real estate investor. Let's start with the basics. To set up your account, you'll need to provide some personal information, including your full name, email address, and social security number. This is to ensure that your investments are secure and properly accounted for. Once you've filled in these details, you'll be asked to select an investment plan. Here's where it gets exciting. Fundrise.com offers three main plans: the starter portfolio, the core portfolio, and the advanced portfolio. Each one is designed to cater to different investment needs and financial goals. The starter portfolio is perfect for those dipping their toes into the world of real estate investment. It requires a minimum investment of just $500 and provides a balanced mix of debt and equity investments. Next up is the core portfolio. This is aimed at those who are ready to take a bigger leap. With a minimum investment of $1,000, the core portfolio offers a broader range of investment options, allowing you to diversify and tailor your portfolio to your liking. And lastly, we have the advanced portfolio. This is for the seasoned investor who's looking to take full control of their real estate investments. The advanced portfolio offers the highest level of customization and requires a minimum investment of $10,000. Remember, choosing the right investment plan is crucial. Take some time to assess your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. It's not about choosing the most expensive plan, but rather the one that aligns best with your personal financial goals. Once you've set up your account and chosen an appropriate investment plan, you're ready to start investing. Embarking on this journey is thrilling, and with Fundrise.com, you're one step closer to building wealth through real estate. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly does the investment process work on Fundrise.com? Well, let's break it down. Fundrise.com operates on the principle of crowdfunding. It's like a pool party, where everyone brings something to the table. In this case, instead of snacks and drinks, you're bringing capital. This capital is then combined with the investments of other users, creating a sizable pool of funds. And what does Fundrise.com do with this pool of funds? It dives in and uses it to invest in real estate projects. These projects can range from residential developments to commercial properties, and even real estate debt. The beauty of this approach is that it allows you to participate in investments that would normally be out of reach for individual investors due to their cost and complexity. Now let's talk about the fun part: making money. Profits are generated from these real estate projects in two ways. First, through rental income. Think about it like this. If you own a piece of a building that's being rented out, you get a slice of that rental income. Second, through the appreciation of the property value over time. If the property's value goes up, so does your investment. But how do you get your share? Well, these profits are distributed back to the investors, that's you, in the form of dividends. These dividends can be reinvested to buy more shares or cashed out. The choice is yours. Also, it's important to remember that, like all investments, there are risks involved. The real estate market can be unpredictable, and there's no guarantee of returns. But that's where Fundrise.com's team of experts comes in. They carefully select and manage the projects to minimize risks and maximize potential returns. So that's how your money works for you on Fundrise.com. Your capital becomes part of a bigger pool used to invest in real estate projects, and your profits come back to you in the form of dividends. It's a way of making your money work smarter, not harder. The question now is, how do you earn money on Fundrise.com? Well, there are two primary ways investors make money on Fundrise: through dividends and appreciation. Let's break these down, shall we? Firstly, we have dividends. These are generated from the rental income of properties in your portfolio or the interest on loans that Fundrise makes to real estate developers. Simply put, when tenants pay rent or when developers pay interest on their loans, a slice of that income is passed on to you, the investor. These payments are typically distributed on a quarterly basis, so you could think of them as a little bonus every 3 months. However, it's important to note that dividends aren't guaranteed. They depend on the rental market and the performance of the real estate developers. So while they can add a steady stream of income to your investment, they're not always a sure thing. Now let's move on to appreciation. This is where the magic of real estate really shines. Appreciation refers to the increase in the value of properties over time. As properties in your portfolio become more valuable, so does your investment. This increase can be due to a variety of factors such as improvements to the property market trends, or even just the passage of time. Unlike dividends, appreciation is typically realized when the property is sold, which may not be for several years. Nevertheless, it's a powerful way to grow your investment. You see, with Fundrise, you're not just putting your money in a savings account and waiting for interest to accumulate. You're investing in tangible assets, real estate properties, that have the potential to increase in value over time. And while there are risks, as with any investment, the potential rewards can be substantial. So to recap, on Fundrise.com, you earn money in 2 ways. Firstly, through dividends, which are generated from rental income or interest on loans, and distributed on a quarterly basis. And secondly, through appreciation, which is realized when the properties in your portfolio increase in value. And that's how you earn money, through dividends and appreciation. To wrap it up, let's revisit the key points about making money on Fundrise.com. This platform offers an innovative way to diversify your investment portfolio, allowing you to venture into the real estate market. But remember, as exciting as it sounds, it's crucial to understand the steps involved. First off, setting up your account. This is the gateway to your investment journey on Fundrise. Be sure to provide accurate information and choose an investment plan that aligns with your financial goals. Whether you choose a starter, core, advanced, or premium plan, each comes with its own set of perks and potential returns. Next up, understanding how investments work on Fundrise. It's not just about pouring in money and waiting for returns. You're buying into REITs and E-funds, which are essentially collections of properties. Your investment goes into buying, renovating, or leasing these properties, and your returns are driven by the income generated and the appreciation of these properties over time. Speaking of returns, let's talk about dividends and appreciation. Dividends are your share of the income generated from the properties in your portfolio. They are usually paid out quarterly. Appreciation, on the other hand, is the increase in the value of your investment over time. This is where the real magic happens, as your investment has the potential to grow significantly over the long term. But remember, as promising as Fundrise may seem, it's not without risks. Like any other investment, the value of your portfolio can fluctuate. You could make a profit, or you could lose money. Therefore, it's essential to understand these risks and make informed investment decisions. Investing in real estate through Fundrise can be a profitable venture, but it requires patience, understanding, and strategic planning. Remember, the goal isn't to get rich quick, but to build wealth over time. So armed with this information, are you ready to start your investment journey on Fundrise.com?